Hey guys, I'm just out here with my new toy. It's a Ford F10. It's got a 302 with the 4-barrel, Edelbrock 4-barrel. What else has it got? It's just an ass-kicking old 1975 Ford F10. It's got some custom flames. It looks like a matchbox. Love this truck. Can't wait to put some money into it. Here we go. My new toy. Isn't that thing gorgeous? Get out of here. '75 Ford F10. I'll snap some photos and add them to the end here. Okay, so we're under the hood. This is the 5-liter 302. I believe it's out of a 1977 Thunderbird. Tranny's out of the same donor. Got to do some work on that tranny down there. But nonetheless, purrs like a kitten. There's the 4-barrel. Oh, sorry, it's not an Edelbrock. It's a Holly 4-barrel. Holly. See right there, Holly. The old blue block, blue tranny. Pan. Tranny pan anyway. Let's get inside and give her a little taste of the juice. The interior. Shed a little light on the situation. Oh. But for now, she's a beast. So there she sits. Mud flaps, gotta get them in there. Nothing says 80 rocker like those mud flaps. I'll try propping you up and give you a taste of the throttle from back here. All right, that's enough of that.